Annyeonghaseyo. Hi, welcome back to Jhope World. I have some new BTS unboxings here. So I'm going to start with the big one and then we'll get to this package here. I'm not turning the packages around because I haven't covered my address information. So I'm just going to open it from the back side. Okay, it looks like this is an extra copy of Jhope's magazine. Nothing else in there but just wrapping paper and stuff. So there he is. Got myself an extra copy of Jhope Daikon issue. Some goodies in here. A little stick-it note. And, oh, isn't he cute? There's the pictures from the, I think this is actually from the photo book. From the Essential Edition, you know. And I think this is a thank you note. Yeah. Thank you so much. I hope Hobie arrives fast and safe. Happy collecting. Please message me at these places right here for discounts. Twitter and Instagram. So that is really nice, really cool. Thank you. Yeah, I've done a flip through of this before. Okay, so there we go. And I'm going to pause the video, come back and open the next package. Okay, now to unbox the last package. It already has a big tear in it, so I'll just open it from there, I guess. And yes, it is my tumbler. Looks like I got one Hobie goodie, a little extra goodie. All right, that is awesome. There he is. Beautiful Hobie. And now I have his tumbler. So now I can enjoy drinks and look at my handsome sunshine. Get a close-up look. Cute pictures. I really love this one here from 2019 summer package. This one is also from 2019 summer package. I love him in this clothing from that live performance where he has the suit on and this beautiful shirt. He just looks so sexy, and he had the aviator sunglasses. Oh my God. Adorable Hobie there, but handsome Hobie. You know, he can be adorable, cute, handsome, sexy, you know, all in one. So, okay, well, now I got a tumbler with Jhope. So yeah, that's my unboxing today. I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing. And when I do get more, I'll bring more unboxings as they arrive. So thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do so now. And click that bell icon so you know when I upload a new video. All right, thanks. Annyeong, bye. Annyeonghaseyo. Hi, welcome back to Jhope World. I have another BTS Jhope unboxing today. I like the little doodles that the seller had drawn on here of Hobie from the concept photos. As he is a strawberry, if you've seen those from the Map of the Soul concept books. So, you know, he loves his strawberry, you know. Strawberry, berry, berry. Strawberry. He said that in one of his V Lives, which is so stinking cute. So got 2 Hobie drawings and some pictures of him right here. So I'm not going to turn it around because I haven't covered up my address. So hopefully you're seeing this okay, because I'm not in front of the camera where I can see what I'm doing, but I really like that. I'm going to have to keep the packaging because this is just too cute. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get into it. Okay, it looks like I got a little thank you note. Says, hello, thank you so much for your purchase. It means a lot. My main goal, oh sorry, it looks like it said goal. It's tiny writing. My main IG, and that's their Instagram information, where I would love to meet other Hobie stands. I also have my art account where I do trades and commissions. Again, thank you. Oh, wow, that's so cool. So she does arts and commissions of Hobie. That's why she drew him on this little packaging, to give me a sample of her, like her art, which is really cute. And she's looking to meet Hobie stands, such as myself. So, okay, I'm going to have to do that. So she said, thank you so much. And, oh my gosh, okay, these are my postcards. Okay. That's what came in today. So there's one of the Hobie postcards. Looks like these have stands on them, so I can like stand them up if I wanted to. Okay. So I'll try to lay these out where they can be seen. I really love these postcards, so I got these from Macari. One of his selfies. He's so handsome. I love Hobie selfies. He's just so cute. Hopefully these are still in the frame where you can see them. Okay, and it looks like I got some Hobie freebies too of Jhope. That's where they end, so there ain't nothing on that. It's just a piece of cardboard. So what's next is the little freebies. Got a sticker. Another sticker. Since I'm not in front of the camera to see what's going on, I hope that these images are clear and you're able to see them okay. Some stickers. He looks good with red hair too. Although my favorite is his natural hair color or lighter shades of brown. But I do like him in other colors like pink and red. I thought he looked great with silver hair recently. Though I think he went blonde. Wish he looks good that way too. So this was my unboxing today. Hope that you enjoyed it. Yesterday I unboxed my Jhope tumbler. So yeah, I did that yesterday. So I'll include that in that video. So thanks for watching. I appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do so now. And click the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future uploads. Annyeong. Bye.